Matip ngaya pulih hai na hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu bosong morway. Kumamia.
Wat mudur li min em temian mea. Nam kumta ti mayai hapun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Nah, kertang komplit. Tempat jing em jong ma. Incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka National Small Industries Corporation Limited Guwahati da ka jingkershan lang jong ka Numaligar Refinery Limited ki balong ki shilem trekam ki bahab hapo ka jingkmi jong ka Sarkar India ki la phaikmat ban a jing hikai ya ki arpasan ngot ki samla kanthai kumno ban shina penwandur ya ki Mombati bala Ohshrong Itynnat bha ha ki rukom ba pher ya kani kaching aji kai ka bakhat prasngi kaban sa palong ha FME Outreach Center kabadan ha kasinong loms up Shillong lapli ha ka khandai trik urampang arajar apun reo ha ka jingpli ya kani kajing aji hikai la sakhilang daki nongmi khmat naka Numaligar Refinery Limited ki bakanthop ya Usuman Goswami ubadai UGM Marketing ka NRL u Rajiv Chankakati ubadai u DGM Marketing ka NRL u Palash Bhaumik ubadai u Chief Manager Technology jongka NSIC Training Head u Golak Bihari Dash ubadai u Manager Accounts ka Sister Garnet Sutnga bat Director FME Outreach bat kiwe
General Manager, Marketing, NRL, to kindly accept Muffler as a token of our sincere appreciation for his greatest privilege support. So your support for community development and skill-based initiatives inspires us greatly. Mr. Palash Bhaumik, Chief Manager, Technology and Training Head, NSIC. I invite Mr. Golak Bihari Dash, Manager, Accounts.
Sister, you also come, please.
We know Sasuman today, it's because through Sister Palash. Thank you so much, sir. It is through this initiative and support that we are able to connect and conduct this training program. We deeply appreciate your guidance, your commitment, and your coordination towards the betterment of our society.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, actually, this is the third training we are having in current financial year. Yes. So, next training we are planning in Aizol. So, we have been this team, Bhumik sir, Goswami sir, Mani madam. We have been moving around Northeast for many training programs for last.
Respected Suman sir and my colleague Polas Mamik sir.
मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं बोलूँगी क्योंकि मुझे 18 डेज तो बात ही करना है ना आप लोगों के साथ करना है ना करना पड़ेगा ऐसे हिलाने से नहीं होगा
18 days program. I'm sure all of you will acquire some skill and be motivated enough to start making candles. You have a very good trainer. She'll guide you. Please pay attention and enjoy the training sessions. my respected colleagues on the dais, ma'am, and especially madam. So all those trainees are looking forward to you to impart them the skills which will help them in opening an avenue of employment. So attending the training for training's sake is not the objective. You have to pick up the basic skills of candle making and then take it forward. So to start, after your training, and once you start practicing and you acquire the confidence, then the next question will come about financing and marketing of your products. Because ultimately, you'll be producing the candles for marketing, for selling, to earn something out of it. So, in that area, NSIDC is there to help you. They also extend the finance and they also will give you a helping hand in marketing of your products. They have a online marketing portal in place where you can also sell your products online. So apart from the technical skills that you'll be getting, please also try to know what are the facilities that are being extended by NSIC. So that will help you to embark on while marketing the products. So wish you all the best. Hope after the end of the training session, you all will be able to take a step forward and take a step forward and individually or collectively be able to market your products. Thank you so much.
Dignitaries on the dais, my colleague Mr. Golak, Suman sir, Sankakati sir. Sankakati sir is a very good friend of mine. He has taken all the pain to conduct this type of training in 4 states of the Northeast, and we keep on doing. And we are very obliged that Suman sir and Sankakati sir and Khongvir sir of NRL, they keep on sponsoring this training. It's almost 3 years we are doing this work now, right? So we are joining hands to empower mostly women. Mostly our trainees are 99% women, and we are giving lot of thrust to empower the women of the Northeast. This is our main motto, right? And Bani madam, we are also very grateful to her. She keeps on roaming about in all the states of Northeast to empower you all. So I'm very grateful to her also. And I'll just let everyone know that Sister Garnet, I'm very obliged that despite having such a incident in your family, yet I know some of you may know that there was grief. There was a grievous incident which happened to Sister Garnet, but yet she has taken all the pain to be present in this inaugural ceremony. I'm very grateful to you, sister. So you need to learn all these things, right? So we have to move on. We have to, means there will be certain situations in our family, in our neighbors, in our life, but you need to move on with the things which is going on. We have to take the responsibilities, right? So what sir said, Suman sir said, that training is a stepping stone which we are giving, right? But the intuition, the courage, the entrepreneurship quality, entrepreneurial qualities, you have to build in yourself to be someone in coming days, right? We cannot we can hold your hand, but you have to hold the hand, na, to go ahead, to go ahead in life, to go ahead in the society, to build the society, right? To increase your socio-economic condition in life, right? That is why Sister Garnet said underprivileged. She is doing a lot of work for the underprivileged. I am very happy that she is taking care of this target group of people. So you can understand that we are taking a lot of pain for you. Huh? So you have to give us the honor by learning very nicely and doing something after learning. That is most important. You cannot have a certificate. Madam will make you a Udyami. Udyam certificates will be made by us. She will take all the pain to build you with Udyamis. But the journey starts there. Okay? It starts. And to carry on with it, you have to be very careful. You have to be sincere to yourself, not to us. You be sincere to yourself so that this training program can be successful. The 18th day, now you don't know what candle is, right? How to make a candle. Not candle, means we are not talking of candles which you see in the shops. These are high-end candles, these are exportable candles. At times, these candles becomes mementos. You will not feel good to light up these candles. So good they will be. You gift them to people, they will think twice to light these candles. Those will be so beautiful, right? You don't have any idea now. On the 18th day, when we come back, we will take a feedback from you. The day you remember today, what you know about candle. And afterwards, after 18 days, you will find the confidence level in yourself. How much you grow, we will come and assess. Okay, na, Goswami sir? Yes. Mangalkat sir? Okay. So, best of luck to each and every one of you. There are a few dropouts today. I don't know if they will join. It's okay. Otherwise, the people on the waiting list, you please accommodate after tomorrow. Okay, sister? There are a lot of candidates, a lot of interested candidates over here. So, you just don't waste the seats. It's my request to you. Okay, ma'am? Yes. Thank you. Thank you all.